How's everybody doing tonight? It's the Pittsburgh HODLr Saturday night edition. Running a little bit behind today. I normally like to get my videos out around 6 o'clock or something like that whenever I can. Sometimes they happen a little bit later. I was busy with my business, online business earlier. Something else I do online, but just wanted to bring you guys a quick market update and then two little pieces of news that I wanted to touch on. Right now, I'll start off with the prices, market capitalizations. Currently, we got Bitcoin up 1.48% for the day at $11,408 USD. Ethereum at $855, 49 cents, and it is down 1.38% for the day. Litecoin is at $210, down 3.27% for the day. And let's see here, Neo. I forgot to cover Neo yesterday. Sorry to the Neo fans out there. Neo is at $120.11, down 5.3% for the day. And lastly, Steam is currently at $3.59, up 4.94% for the day. So pretty nice day for Steam. Pretty nice little Saturday for Steam here. So the market doesn't look too bad. We've really been sliding sideways for about a week now, 4 or 5 days at least. Not anything to be concerned about in my opinion. I mean, the volume wasn't as great as we'd like to see for Bitcoin compared to the volume we saw in January and some of February the last week, but I wanted to touch on the volume in Litecoin. Yesterday, volume was around $700 million, a little bit over $700 million. So it would be nice to see the volume in Litecoin get back over the $1 billion a day threshold, which would mean that money was coming back in and the currency is actually, being used and people are, taking advantage of the utility that these cryptocurrencies have. So, but I think Litecoin, there's still, even though despite the kind of lackluster price jump that a lot of us anticipated with LitePay and the kind of delay or whatever you want to call it with that being released officially, full scale, I think the future is still bright for Litecoin, and that we are going to see. I really do believe that we could see $1,000 by the end of the year. As always, this is just my opinion, but I do think that will happen. And then the second story that I wanted to touch on tonight was there's one of the major crypto funds that exist right now has been subpoenaed by the SEC. U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has reportedly subpoenaed the cryptocurrency investment fund launched last year by tech founder Michael Arrington. So not good news there. We'll have to see exactly why they say they've subpoenaed him, but nobody's really saying exactly what's going on with that. So hopefully the SEC doesn't start to come down harder on the cryptocurrency space, but we know that they are going after and trying to shut down ICOs. It's pretty much well known now that it's illegal to join up into these early ICOs or launch them as an American. So we'll have to see if that continues or whether they will sort of change their position on the ICOs, because even though they're trying to cut back on the risk for new investors coming into the space that really don't know much about cryptocurrencies, what their utility is, what they really are, and they're just speculating. And then you come in and you got these people they hear that Bitcoin is performing well, Litecoin's performing well, 5,500% gains in Litecoin last year. So they come in and they think that they're going to jump into one of these cryptocurrencies that are, launching an ICO as an initial coin offering. That's what that stands for. So for the people that don't know, so they jump into these ICOs and then they're taken advantage of, and they jump into something that has no development, no team, and really no shot having any value at all. So they're really just, some of them, they're launching in anticipation of just taking people's money. So that is a little worrisome, but at the end of the day, I think that falls on the individual to be educated and do their own research, as I always suggest people do. Don't take anybody's, and don't take anything at face value. Do your own research. Don't trust anyone. Just never do it. It's just, that's life. Just do your own research and make your own educated investments, and get into the cryptocurrencies that you feel are the going to be around and the most provide the most value to you. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick Saturday night update, and I hope everybody's having a good weekend. I'll bring you another update tomorrow. Please comment, like, and subscribe as always, and I appreciate you guys. Have a good night.